There's a lot to get here, a lot to break down into layman's terms, if I may say, quite frankly. Joining me right now to do that is CNN senior political analyst John Avlon and Shan Wu, a CNN legal analyst and former federal prosecutor. Shan, let me start with you. It's hard. We almost do need to break these into two things, but your general reaction to what the justices have handed down in these two decisions today.
Okay, I think this is a great example of us seeing in the public view Chief Justice Roberts trying to kind of split the baby here. He's trying to continue to walk this line that makes the Supreme Court seem like it is non-political, trying to decide the law just on the law. And yet, at the same time, you'll see where he can utilize traditional jurisprudence mechanisms to help that image. Try not to be cynical here. So if you look at the gerrymandering decision, to sort of sum it up, you could say that the court, from a political sense, is saying the GOP is in power right now. We're going to let them stay in power and come up with some mechanisms to avoid having to get to the merits of how that power is taken. With the census question, they're able to somewhat avoid the merits by utilizing this question of the record needs to be more fully developed. But at the same time, interesting to see what Roberts is doing. It's definitely a swipe at the Trump administration. You can sense a sense of distaste in terms of how controversial and how questionable Ross's statements have been.
Yeah.
So I think you can read that in there.